Today, let's look at the way that you can log in to your Podimo account on your mobile. If you have an account of Podimo and you're trying to log into it, in this video, let me show you the process. Make sure you have the Podimo app downloaded on your phone. Once the app is downloaded, open up the app. Now, depending upon the way that you created your Podimo account, you can log in likewise as well. So if you created your account using Google account or your Facebook account, you can just tap on these individual options, select your Google or Facebook account, and you'll be immediately logged in. However, if you've created an account using your email address, you'll need to tap on the third option. Type in the email address that you use while creating your account. Tap on continue on the bottom right, and then type in the password of your account. If you don't remember the password of your account, you can just tap on the forgot password option. This way, you can tap on send and a OTP and a one-time password will be sent to your email address, or a code will be sent to the email address from where you can reset your password. But if you do remember your password, type it in and then hit continue. And as easy as that, you've been now successfully logged in to your Podimo account. You can now start listening to audiobooks and podcasts on this platform. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.